Hi guys, quick sharing lang. Share ko lang tong plugin na na-discover ko. This one is called RX Voice Denoise by Isotope. So nagkaroon kami ng recording session, live recording session na nagkaroon ng hum yung bass. Well, pag live kasi hindi mo mapapansin na may hum pala kasi sobrang lakas ng signal, and then sa recording doon mo lang makikita na meron palang buzz or hum yung signal. This applies to any kind of signal na may buzz or humming noise. So, kung papakinggan mo siya dito, I'll solo it. Yan, maririnig mo agad yung hum. Sobrang lakas. See, that's the bypass tone. Maririnig mo na talagang meron siyang hum sa pag naka-mute or pag hindi nagpe-play yung bass. Pero even while playing, maririnig mo din na meron ding noise doon. So, mahirap to pag recording, pag minix mo siya as a whole, parang mababother ka dun sa noise. So, yun, with this plugin, sobrang dali lang niya. So, you just have to solo the track, and then i-loop mo yung part na yun na you want to fix. So, in my case, it's this hum. Ang gagawin ko lang is just tap learn, and then yun, learn na siya ng plugin. Usually ako mga 3 loops. Okay na. And then, yun, after that, undo the learn, and then yun, wala na siya. Hindi mo na maririnig yung hum. Even if the bass plays over it, wala na siya. So you get that clear tone na pwede mo na siyang i-mix. Yun. Pwede mo rin palang adjust itong reduction. Kung gusto mo na baka gusto mong i-maintain yung hum pero gusto mo lang bawasan, you can decrease or increase the reduction. So in my case, I want it clean. So talagang i-reduct ko siya. Kasi wala naman tone reduction. If I bypass it, iloloop ko to. Ayan. I don't think mararamdaman mo yung difference nun. And if ever mararamdaman mo lang, pwede mo naman i-adjust yun sa EQ. So yun, quick share lang. Thank you. I hope you learned something.